You're going to get a chance to practice having a conversation like this, playing as Emma. Kevin texted you the morning after the party to share that he's concerned about how much Charlie's been drinking lately. Since you've known him longer, you both decided it would be better for you to reach out to him. While you're talking to Charlie, make sure you let him know that you care, focusing on how you're feeling and asking questions. The goal here is to help Charlie just stop and think, and to give him the space to make his own decisions on what steps to take next. Good luck.
How's everything going?
What do you mean?
Just like in general. School, life, whatever.
I mean, fine. I've been a little stressed with classes, but not like stressed. I don't know. Some classes are going better than others. My computer science grades have been slipping.
You're going to fail if you keep drinking like this.
So what, you're a fortune teller now? It's not like... Look, what else do you want to talk about?